A body is projected vertically upwards from the bottom of the crater of the depth r by 100, where r is the radius of the moon, with a velocity equal to the escape velocity on the surface of the moon. Okay, calculate the maximum height reached by the body from the surface of the moon. If I consider this as the moon, let its mass be equal to m. There is a crater at a certain depth d. Okay, so its distance from the center, let it be equal to r. Okay, now suppose a body is launched. Let us say this point over here is equal to a. It is launched with certain velocity and it reaches a maximum height. Okay, let that height be equal to x, or let it be equal to h. Okay, at a maximum height h. Okay, so I can say that the total energy at the point A will be equal to the total energy at the point B. So the total energy at the point A will be equal to kinetic energy at the point A plus potential energy at the point A is equal to the kinetic energy at the point B plus potential energy at the point B. Okay, now let us find out each of these values individually. Velocity at A, now it is launched with an escape velocity. The escape velocity is given by the formula root 2 gm divided by r. Okay, where r is the radius of any planet or any satellite. The velocity at B, since it just reaches point B, okay, or the maximum height reached is equal to B, so I can say that the velocity at the point B will be equal to 0. Potential at point A will be equal to, potential is given by the formula minus gm divided by 2r, okay, minus gm divided by 2r cube into 3r square minus r square. This is the formula of the potential at the depth. Okay, at the depth, not at the height. This is the potential at the at a depth. Okay, at a certain depth. Okay, over here r will be equal to, since small r will be equal to capital R minus d. Capital R minus the depth over here is equal to r divided by 100. So basically small r will be equal to 99 r divided by 100. So when I substitute the value over here, it will be equal to minus gm divided by 2r cube into 3r square minus 99 by 100 into capital R the whole square. Okay, this will be the formula. Okay, this is the potential at point A. The potential at the point B, now since this point is above the surface, the potential at point B will be equal to minus gm divided by, over here it will be equal to the over here the total distance from the center is equal to r plus h. Okay, so it will be equal to r plus h. Okay, this is the total potential at point B. Let us plug in these values in the first equation. The kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, so it is equal to, let the mass of the body be equal to m, so into va square. The potential at the point A will be equal to m into the potential at the point A. The potential energy will be equal to mass into potential at point A. Kinetic energy at the point B will be equal to 0, since the velocity over here is equal to 0. Potential at the point B will be equal to mass into potential at the point B. So basically m and m will get cancelled out. Okay, so it will be equal to half into the velocity at point A is equal to root 2 gm by r. So when I square that part, it will be equal to 2 gm divided by r. Okay, plus the potential at A. The potential at A is equal to minus gm divided by 2r cube. Okay, I can take r common, so it will be equal to 3 minus 99 by 100 the whole square. Okay, 99 by 100 the whole square. It will be equal to, potential at point B will be equal to, minus gm divided by r plus h. Okay, it will be equal to r plus h. So gm will get cancelled out everywhere. Okay, so and 2 will also get cancelled out. So basically it is equal to 1 by r minus 1 by 2r into 3 minus 99 by 100 the whole square is equal to minus 1 by r plus h. Okay, when I simplify these values, when I substitute all the values, okay, the h will approximately come out to be 99.5 r. Okay, we can use the mathematical modeling in order to calculate the square, 99 by 100 the whole square. Okay, we can use the mathematical modeling, but if I solve this part, I will get approximately as 99.5 into r.